Solve the equation 2 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x minus 2 is equal to 1, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Right, so this is like the last part of this, so it's most involved. So you look for the LCM of x minus 1 and x minus 2, which is x minus 1 times x minus 2. So you multiply everything through by x minus 1 and x minus 2. So we're going to get 2 times x minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 1, plus 3 times x minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 2 is equal to 1 times x minus 2 and x minus 2. Now we're going to cancel and expand some brackets on this side only. So cancelling, x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancel out, and then x minus 2 and x minus 2. So doing this procedure of finding the LCM of the denominators and multiplying through does remove any fractions from the equation. So we're now got to do 2 times x, which is 2x, 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4, minus 3 times x, which gives me 3x, and then 3 times minus 1, which gives me minus 3, is equal to 1 times x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so we're just going to leave that for a moment. We're going to collect together now the like terms on this side. So it's going to give me 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, minus 4, minus 3, which is minus 7. Now expanding this side, we're going to get x times x minus 2, minus 1 times x minus 2. You might have a different way of expanding two brackets. To get 5x minus 7 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. Again, and that's going to give me 5x minus 7. Collecting the like terms on this side, we're going to get x squared minus 3x plus 2. So we see we've got a quadratic coming here. So quadratics are made by putting the equation equal to 0. So we're going to make this side 0. So taking 5x gives me x squared, nothing on that side, but it gives me x squared minus 3x minus 5x gives me minus 8x, and then 2 plus 7 gives me 9, and that's equal to 0. So this is now a quadratic equation which needs to be solved. Now the clue here, it says 2 decimal places, so therefore we're going to probably have to use the formula. So to solve x squared minus 8x plus 9, this is form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, gives a is 1, b is minus 8, and c is 9. So using the quadratic formula, which you should know, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X is going to be minus 8, substituting correctly, plus or minus, and put the minus 8 into brackets. Minus 8 all squared, minus 4 times 1 times 9, all over 2 times 1. That gives me 8. Square root of 64 minus 36, 4 times 1 times 9. Just be careful of signs when you do this, divided by 2. So you're going to get 8 plus or minus the square root of 28 over 2. So either x is equal to 8 minus 28, square root of 28 over 2. Now you can use the fraction button on your calculator. So enter the fraction button first, and then write that across the top for the numerator, write that for the denominator. That's going to give you 1.3542. We want 2 decimal places, so that's going to give me 1.35. Or x is equal to 8 plus square root of 28 over 2. So if you've entered this in, just do the replay button and then change that minus sign to a plus. Again, making sure that we've used the fraction button. So we're going to get 6.645. That 5 will make that 4 a 5. So we get an answer of 6.65. So x is going to be equal to 1.35, or x is equal to 6.65 to 2 decimal places. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation which has algebraic fractions where x is in the denominator and leading to a quadratic. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.